In this tutorial, we will see how to install an app in Sandstorm. To begin, we need to log in to Sandstorm. Let's say there's an app we need but it's not already installed. We can go to the app market and look for the app here. So let's say one of the apps we want to install is this one, a presentation tool. All we need to do is click on install. We are presented with information regarding the app so that we can verify that this is the app that we need. Then click on install. Once the app installs, you are ready to create your first grain using the app. That's all there is to it.